Blackheads. Tiny dots that sit on your nose, your cheeks, your chin, and somehow return every time you squeeze them. You remove them once, and a week later, they're back again. Why? Because most people try to fix blackheads the wrong way. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what blackheads are, why they keep coming back, and how to slowly, consistently, and safely remove them in a way that keeps your skin clean long-term. No harsh products, no painful extractions, just simple, science-backed skincare habits that actually work. Let's begin. What blackheads really are. Before you remove blackheads permanently, you must understand them. A blackhead is not dirt, it's not dust, it's not pollution stuck in your pores. A blackhead is actually excess oil, sebum, dead skin cells, tiny buildup inside a pore that oxidizes when exposed to air. This oxidation turns the top of the pore black. That is why it's called a blackhead. They commonly appear on nose, chin, forehead, around the lips, chest, back. But why do some people get blackheads again and again? Because of 4 major triggers. Trigger number 1, overactive sebaceous glands. Your skin naturally produces oil, but in some people, oil production is higher. Trigger number 2, thick or sticky dead skin cells. If dead skin doesn't shed fast enough, it clogs the pore. Trigger number 3, using the wrong skincare. Heavy creams, pore-blocking oils, harsh scrubs equal more blackheads. Trigger number 4, squeezing instead of treating. Squeezing pushes bacteria deeper, stretching the pore and leading to more blackheads. Now that you understand the cause, let's break down how to remove blackheads permanently. Why blackheads keep coming back. People make the same mistakes over and over. Mistake number 1, overwashing. Washing too much makes your skin produce more oil. Mistake number 2, scrubbing too hard. Scrubs irritate your pores and create micro tears. Mistake number 3, wrong oils or creams. Heavy creams trap oil beneath the skin. Mistake number 4, squeezing with nails. This stretches the pore and leads to more blackheads. Mistake number 5, extractions without maintenance. You can remove blackheads today, but if you don't fix the root cause, they return. To remove blackheads permanently, you need a system, not a one-time fix. Let's build that system step by step. Step 1, the daily routine that keeps pores clean. This is the foundation of removing blackheads forever. 1, gentle cleanser, morning and night. Use a gentle cleanser with salicylic acid, 0.5 to 2%, or low-foam gel cleansers. Salicylic acid helps loosen oil inside pores, making blackheads easier to remove over time. Do not use harsh scrubs. 2, the 60 seconds rule. Massage the cleanser into your face for exactly 60 seconds. Why? Loosens oil, softens blackheads, increases blood flow, unclogs the pore gradually. Most people wash their face for 7 to 8 seconds. This is not enough. 3, use lukewarm water. Too hot equals dry skin, means more oil. Too cold equals buildup, stay stuck. Lukewarm water removes oil gently. 4, pat dry, never rub. Rubbing irritates the skin and causes redness. This simple routine is the base layer for removing blackheads permanently. Step 2, the 3 best ingredients for blackhead removal. If you want long-term results, you must use the right ingredients. These 3 are the most effective. 1, salicylic acid, BHA, the pore cleaner. Salicylic acid penetrates inside the pore, dissolving oil and dead skin. Use it in cleansers, toners, serums. Frequency, 2 to 4 times per week, depending on skin sensitivity. Over time, salicylic acid reduces oil buildup, clogged pores, and blackhead formation. It doesn't remove blackheads instantly. It prevents them from forming. 2, retinoids, the cell turnover booster. Retinoids increase the speed at which your skin renews itself. This means less dead skin, tighter pores, smoother texture, reduced blackheads. Use retinoids at night just 2 to 3 times per week at first. They are powerful. Consistency builds long-term results. 3. Clay masks, the oil absorbers. Clay masks help pull out excess oil before it clogs your pores. Choose masks with kaolin, bentonite, volcanic ash, green clay. Use once or twice a week. Clay masks don't rip out blackheads. They reduce oil and prevent them from forming. Step 3. Safe and effective blackhead removal. If you want to remove blackheads physically, do it safely. Step 1. Steam your face for 5 minutes. This softens the sebum in your pores. Step 2. Use a gentle extractor tool. Press lightly and move slowly. Never press too hard, it will damage your pore wall. Step 3. Clean the area. Use toner or light salicylic solution. Step 4. Moisturize. Always follow extraction with hydration. A damaged pore opens the door for more blackheads. A healthy pore tightens and stays clean longer. Step 4. The night routine that changes everything. Nighttime is when your skin repairs itself. Your night routine should include 1. Cleanser. Remove oil, makeup, sunscreen. 2. Retinoid, 2 to 3 times per week. Boosts skin renewal. 3. Lightweight moisturizer. Choose non-comedogenic formulas. Optional, niacinamide serum. Helps tighten pores and control oil. Do this consistently for 30 days and get massive improvement in pore clarity. Step 5. Long-term blackhead prevention. Avoid touching your face. Hands transfer oil and bacteria. Wash pillowcases twice a week. Oil, sweat, skincare products accumulate quickly. Change face towels often. Using the same towel spreads bacteria. Remove sunscreen before bed. Sunscreen left overnight equals clogged pores. Reduce heavy creams. Use light gels instead of thick moisturizers. Drink plenty of water. Hydrated skin produces less oil. Avoid extreme skincare. Less irritation, fewer blackheads. What results to expect? After 7 days, reduced oil, smoother nose, fewer clogged pores. After 30 days, fewer blackheads, tighter pores, more even skin. After 60 to 90 days, long-term reduction, clearer texture, blackheads barely return. Skin becomes healthier and thicker. The key is consistency. Not squeezing, not overwashing, not panicking. Blackheads fade when your skin becomes balanced. Final message. Blackheads are not a forever problem. They're simply a sign that your skin is producing more oil than it can handle. When you give your skin the right tools, gentle cleansing, salicylic acid, retinoids, clay masks, and consistency, your pores slowly clean themselves. And that is how you remove blackheads permanently. Start small, be consistent, your skin will reward you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps more people discover the truth about blackheads and take control of their health. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.